Mr. Metcalf, can you tell us what happened on Saturday? Anything you want to say to anybody?
The suspect in a deadly shooting not answering questions as he exits a courtroom today. Aaron Metcalf is charged with involuntary, or I should say voluntary manslaughter in the death of Robert Sessoms. Wilmington police say Sessoms was shot several times Saturday night at Smith Creek Village Townhomes. That's just behind Target off of New Center Drive. Metcalf already bonded out of jail and was allowed to leave court today after signing a waiver to decline court-appointed counsel. Once again, he is charged with voluntary manslaughter.